You will use 3 pages to enter and submit your time. Timesheet Express to enter your time, the timesheet page to edit your time, and your home page to approve your time. To submit your time, from your home page, click on Submit Timesheet. Next, click on Timesheet Express. Once in Timesheet Express, enter the maximum number of shifts you expect to work on any given day. Shifts refer to the number of different projects you will be working on any given day. Now select how you'd like your project information to appear in your drop-down menu, whether by code only, project code, description only, project name, or code and description. Next, select the pay period for which you are entering time by either typing in the box or selecting it from the calendar. Hit Apply to save changes. Under Type, select Work to allocate work hours or Office Closed to record hours the office was closed. Office Closed and Work should be the only items selected under Type from your drop-down menu. All paid leave requests will be processed through the Time Off Request function and will also populate your timesheet once they have been approved. In the Hours column, enter the number of hours you would like to allocate to your projects. From your Job Code section, enter the project codes you would like to allocate your hours to. After you have finished selecting all your hours and your project codes for an entire pay period, select Apply to save changes. You should enter actual hours worked for every day. For regular full-time staff, your timesheet should show a minimum of 7 hours a day. If you worked less than 7 hours a day, you must take additional hours against a non-work code to ensure that the total number of hours recorded that day equals 7. Part-time and temporary staff should confer with HR and/or their supervisor for guidance on daily charging. To edit or delete time, go to the timesheet page by either clicking on the Submit link on your homepage or the timesheet link at the top of Timesheet Express. Once on the timesheet page, set the date range to include the entries you want to review in the Hours Work section. Hit Apply to save changes. To edit time, click on the magnifying glass next to the hours you would like to edit. This allows you to make changes to your job codes, but to change the number of hours worked, you must delete and re-enter the shift. Remember to hit Apply to save changes. To delete time, click on the red X next to the shift you want to delete and click OK. Once you're satisfied with all of the entries you have made, to approve your timesheet, go back to your home page. On your home page, in the Hours Worked section, select the pay period for which you have just entered time. Hit Apply to save changes. You will see a breakdown of the hours you entered in Timesheet Express. Check the Save All box and click on the disk icon. By clicking on the disk icon, you are submitting your time and approving that these are accurate records. You have now completed entering, submitting, and approving your time. Until your supervisor has approved your entries, you can edit or delete them. Until the pay period is closed, which typically will happen within a few days of the end of the period, your supervisor can edit or delete your time, and you can submit additional time entries. After a pay period has closed, you must contact Fiscal if you want to make corrections to your timesheet. Requesting time off. All time off requests are to be made using Paychex. To request time off, go to the Time Off Request section of your homepage. Select the type of leave you're requesting, for example, excused absence or vacation. Enter a start date and an end date. You can disregard the start time field. If you are requesting a partial day, enter the number of hours you intend to take off that day. Otherwise, hours per day should always be set to 7 if you are requesting entire days. It is recommended that you enter a note for your supervisor, but it is not mandatory. Now review your request for accuracy and click on Apply to submit your request. Clicking on Apply is your approval for your supervisor to approve your request. You can review the status of your request under Request Status.